ad engine plus commercial license equals your unfair advantage. From one website URL to 500 AI generated ad creatives in 60 seconds, use them to 3 to 5x your own ROI, or sell them to clients for $1,000 plus month each. Our AI analyzed $27 million in top-performing Facebook and Instagram campaigns to create the only ad tool that pays for itself in 2 ways. Slash your ad costs by 83% or build a 6-figure agency serving clients who desperately need fresh, high-converting meta creatives. 500 plus AD variations. For your business, generate 500 platform-perfect variations from just your URL. Average 3.8x ROAS improvement, tracked across 173 users, 94% faster than traditional ad creation, 16 hours right pointing arrow 30 seconds, AI writes copy plus designs visuals plus suggests targeting for your income. Full commercial license included, create ads for unlimited clients, agencies charge $500 to $5,000 per month for what you'll do in 5 minutes, keep 100% of client revenue, no revenue sharing. Ever, $5 ad strategy training included, learn to sell ad services. 2,173 users, $18.4 million in combined ad spend, 47% lower corporal average, 380% ROAS increase. Click here to register for the webinar. About Adpreso AI. Generates 500 plus high-converting ads in 1 click using a proven backend engine trained on the best-performing ads of all time. Facebook ads. Instagram ads. Here's why Adpreso AI is a game-changer for every business. Adpreso AI isn't just another design tool, it's an ROI multiplier built on proprietary data from millions in profitable ad spend. 500 plus winning ad creatives in 1 click. Input your website URL and generate hundreds of unique, conversion-focused ad creatives instantly. Unlimited generations. Multiple design variations. Unlimited color combinations. High-converting ad copy that actually sells. Get proven converting ad copy that grabs attention and drives action from your target audience. Attention-grabbing headlines. Compelling call to actions. Benefit-driven messaging. Precise AI targeting, find your perfect buyers. Our AI helps you find the right targeting that puts your ads in front of the perfect prospects. Exact ideal customer profiles. Interest-based targeting. Lookalike audience suggestions. Run profitable ads every time. Our AI ensures every ad is optimized for maximum ROI based on proven conversion patterns across industries. Lower cost per acquisition. Higher conversion rates. Improved ROAS metrics. Multi-million-dollar data-driven performance. Every creative is powered by our AI trained on the highest converting ads and funnels of all time, giving you instant access to proven winners. Trained on top converting campaigns. Multi-million-dollar ad data. Proven funnel frameworks. Instant winner templates. Dominate every major platform. Generate perfectly sized creatives for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest and Google, all from one dashboard. All major platforms covered. Auto-optimized sizing formats. Platform-specific best practices. Trained on real winning ads, not just generic AI copy. Unlike other AI tools, Adpreso is fed with data from the Facebook ad library, YouTube's top ads, and Google's highest converting campaigns. Every ad is based on real winners that already made millions. Access the same ad angles that dominate your industry. Start with proven frameworks instead of guessing what works. Skyrocket your ROAS, stop wasting money on weak ads. Watch your competitors burn cash on weak ads while you dominate with creatives scientifically designed for maximum profitability. Eliminate guesswork, every ad is optimized for maximum conversions. Beat competitors by using the same ad angles as top brands. Scale faster with unlimited fresh, high-converting ads at your fingertips. Put an end to declining ROAS, rising ad costs and creative bottlenecks, without hiring expensive designers or wasting hours on Canva templates that don't convert. Click here to register for the webinar. Register for the pre-launch webinar on 15th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to get special discounted opportunity on Adpreso AI. Reserve your spot. On this webinar you will learn how to turn any product or URL into 500 plus ad variations, instantly discover how one simple input can unlock a library of scroll-stopping ad creatives tailored to your offer, audience, and platform, what the top 1% of ads are doing differently and how to ethically steal their strategy, uncover the proven frameworks used by the best performing ads across industries, and how to replicate them without starting from scratch, how AI eliminates the guesswork in ad writing, designing, and targeting, say goodbye to creative blocks, expensive freelancers, and endless testing. Let AI generate high-converting creatives in seconds, how to boost your ROAS without hiring media buyers or designers, get better results while spending less by launching optimized ads that speak to the right audience every single time, how to build a full ad library in minutes, not weeks, save hours of work by instantly creating and organizing hundreds of ads for different placements, audiences, and objectives. Creating ads in Adpreso AI. A simple 3-step process. Step 1, put your website link. Step 2, AI generates multiple variations of converting ad content and recommended ad colors. Step 3, choose from your instant 500 ready-to-use ad library. Your next 500 high-converting ads are just 60 seconds away. You just saw how simple it is. Put in your URL, watch the magic happen, download your winning ads. Start your transformation now. Click here to register for the webinar. See Adpreso AI in action. Watch how easy it is to generate 500 plus high-converting ad creatives in just minutes. Your ad profitability is just a click away. You just saw the proof, now get the power. Click here to register for the webinar. No design or technical skills required, just your website URL. Want to win a free copy of Adpreso AI? Register for the pre-launch webinar on 15th of October at 10 a.m. EST. Get special discounted opportunity on Adpreso AI. Reserve your spot. Have a look at the magic Adpreso AI does in just one click. Disclaimer. Please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion. Disclaimer. In no way are we associated with Facebook. Once you leave Facebook, the responsibility is no longer on any Facebook-owned entity. Your privacy is 100% secure and will never be shared. Facebook is in no way associated with this website or anything herein. Copyrights at 2025 Adpreso AI. All rights reserved for product support. Please get in touch with us here. Earning disclaimer 2 Privacy Policy 2 Terms and Condition.